In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted photos from the Google Files Save folder. First, let's quickly talk about how the Save folder in the Files by Google app works, because that really matters when it comes to recovery. The Save folder is designed as a secure private place on your device. When you move photos there, they're locked behind a PIN, pattern, or password and hidden from your regular gallery. When you delete something from the Save folder, in many cases, it's removed immediately, not just sent to a trash bin like your normal photos. That means recovery can be tricky, and it depends on how and where your files were stored before. Start by checking whether those photos might still exist outside the Save folder. Open your regular Photos or Gallery app and look through your albums, including folders like Camera, Screenshots, WhatsApp, or Downloads. Sometimes, the Save folder only stores a copy, and the original file is still somewhere else on your device. Next, open the Files by Google app and check if there is a trash section. On some versions, deleted files from regular folders go to trash for a limited time, usually around 30 days. Browse through that trash and see if any of your missing photos are there. If you find them, select the ones you want and restore them, and they will go back to their original locations. If you regularly back up your photos, this is the time to use that. Open Google Photos and make sure you are signed into the same Google account you normally use. Go through your photos and albums to see if the deleted Save folder photos are backed up there. Also, check the trash inside Google Photos itself, because deleted backed up photos often stay there for a short period before being permanently removed. If they're there, restore them and they'll return to your main Google Photos library. If your photos are not in trash or in any backup, recovery becomes much harder. At this point, you can consider using a trusted data recovery tool that scans your device storage for recently deleted files. These work best if you act quickly and avoid saving many new files, because new data can overwrite what was deleted. Finally, remember this going forward. Always keep important photos backed up, either with Google Photos Backup turned on or another cloud service, so anything you store in the Save folder is also safely saved elsewhere.